All right, you guys, we're back for day 2. Let's get started. Okay, so we have here Bohemian lock pack. I want to say 16 or 18 inch. I'm going to leave the link to the Amazon page that I bought these from. I bought these back in December and never got a chance to use them. So here we are. So we're going to take our trusty crochet needle. Our trusty crochet needle and one lock. I'm going to insert the crochet through the roots of the hair. Make sure to close the crochet needle first. Place the lock on the hook and close the latch again and pull it through. You want to take the loop and create a knot so the lock is secure. And once it is secure, you can move it around to a better position so that you will be able to wrap the lock around your plait. You will use a unravel motion. So kind of pull the lock in the opposite direction of the way that it has been tightened. That way it'll easily latch onto your plait, and just follow the flow and direction and ravel it downward of the plait. And we'll continue in the back. What's the point? So many people they lie. I might as well put my guard up since I know I deserve mine. I'ma take it if you give it to me, baby, cause I'm so hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. Girl, do your thing, make them look at you. Go girl, it's your world, just do what you do. Go girl, do your thing, make them look at you. Go girl, it's your world, just do what you do. Okay, the first row is complete in the back. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. She look good when she moving the line. Just one look is a move for your body. Get you hooked and you do not know why you can't control her. Hurry up while the move feeling right. This your night, it might be worth a try. Don't get sprung, it's just fun for the times you can't control her. It's getting hot, temptations rising in my soul tonight. What is this feeling that got me feeling in the zone tonight? We only got this moment to last, so I'm gon' hold on for life. You came to do your thing, make them a believer. This your chance, let's and now half of the head is complete. Let me roll my sleeves up. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. Alright, you guys, we have reached 90%. We'll be working on the front. Same procedure. In it for the ride, head in the days, but you love it and you can't lie. Sex will get you murdered. What I'm feeling when you in it when you ride. Feel like you're living when you give into the lie. You can feel it when you look into my eyes. Temptation in my soul tonight. What is this taking over me? I hope I don't fold tonight. The alcohol got me like this cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. I feel it in my body, got me in the zone tonight. Place the lock onto the open latch and then close it again. pull it through, make a little knot, and use the unravel motion as you circle the plait from top to bottom. Let's get it done. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. Go girl, do your thing, make them look at you. Go girl, it's your world, just do what you do. Go girl, do your thing, make them look at you. Go girl, it's your world, just do what you do. And the last one. It's hot. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. And we are complete. Alright girls and guys, we are done. This is the finished product. I went and laid my edges just a little bit. Just a little. I'm learning. I've done these before on my natural hair when it was shorter. So these are the leftovers from the last time that I did it. It looks like I'll be needing to go a length longer. So as you can see, when I got to the end, I had to wrap my natural hair around the curl. It normally wouldn't do that. So I'll be needing to get a longer size because my hair is getting longer. Yay to the natural. Shout out to Miss Nina with the Picture Me Natural. You do me so well. Alright, but you guys, here's the finished look. Alright you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how did I do for my second go around with these Bohemian locks. Let me know how I did. If you have any questions, drop them below. I hope you guys loved it. Remember that I love you, and tell me how you bossing.